Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix the issue your copy and paste is not working in Windows 11 or the 10. Steps will be same for all. So in the first step we will try the delete or the clear the clipboard history. Sometime older history can cause this issue, so simple fix is to go to start menu, click on settings. Once you click on setting, go to system option here, click on that, and you need to scroll down and look for clipboard. Just click on that and simply clear the history. And also you need to make sure that the clipboard history is off here. If it is on like this, just make sure you off this. So this is the first and very simple step. So step number 2 is restart Windows Explorer. Sometimes our Windows processes can cause this issue as well, so we can directly restart the Windows Explorer. Right click on the blank area, then open the task manager. Once you open the task manager, go to Windows Explorer, this option, just make a right click and simply click on restart. Once you make the restart, the file explorer and all the other setting will be restarted, and just need to, you can wait here. So it has been restarted now. If after Windows Explorer restarted it is not going to fix the issue, then you can also run a new task and type for explorer.exe, hit OK, and you will be able to open the file explorer. Make a right click and you need to tick this option. OK, so this is the second method to fix the issue. Copy and paste is not working. If your issue is still not resolved, so we can go to the Windows operating system and run the clipboard.exe, which is responsible for the running. Go to this PC and you want to go to, do not go any other, go to C drive, Windows System 32, press S on your keyboard, this, and on the search result you need to type a clipboard. RDP clip, not a clipboard. Okay, it is not going to find RDP. And we need to look for rdpclip.exe. so let me type for the clip as well, clip. Now you can see RDP clip, we are able to successfully find the RDP clip. So make a right click and run as administrator, click on yes, and try if it fixes the issue. Also run it twice and it is surely going to fix your issue. And you can also run it from here as well. Run new task and type for rdp clip, rdpclip.exe, and run this as administrator, hit OK. Now this is also going to fix your issue. So this is the third method to fix the issue. And in the fourth method you need to make sure that your window is up to date. If your copy and paste suddenly stop working, so click on check for update and make sure there is no pending update on your Windows. In the fifth step we will run the some corruption files if any. Run as administrator, yes. Hit this command sfc /scannow. This will repair the corruption related to Windows operating systems. So let it run and it will go to 100%. Thereafter restart your system and it will fix your issue. Also let the Windows is update and after that restart your system. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. Copy and paste is not working on your Windows 11 or 10 operating system. Hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.